Well, look at this. It's our section 4 assignment. Yes, and you are not going to be surprised. Sure, with two big topics. So our assignment will incorporate those two big topics of section 4. So you are going to ask your end user to enter two numbers. You're going to use a try except block to catch any errors if they enter something that's not a number. So you're going to be matching on value error, okay? Now, also print a friendly message if any other error occurs. Now, if you don't know how to approach this, just go back and check out the videos that we did on exceptions, particularly those that involve try and accept from that point forward. Now, notice you're going to create and use three functions here. One function's going to add the two numbers. The other function's going to subtract the two numbers. And then finally, a function to multiply the two numbers. After calling all three functions, go ahead and print the results. All right, folks, have fun with this one, and you know what's going to take place. I'll be joining you in the next video where we will walk through my, potential solution, one of many. Thanks so much, and see you in the next video.